Today we will continue to practice our only one single strategy forever and ever, the momentum trading. We will do a full top-down analysis like as usual. I will also talk in detail about price switches. Okay, no more empty talks, let's start. I think that this Torch coin is a great example to work on, practice our skills. It has a lot of interesting stuff to talk about. If you look at this coin in early charts, you can see that there was this battle between buyers and sellers for a really long time. But in the end, the buyers won the game and made this gigantic break after the long-term accumulation. In this 3 hours chart, notice the imbalance area right here. But the thing I enjoyed more is this support and resistance flip area. See how it rejects the area around 4 times before it is breaking extremely powerfully. If I drop to the 2 hours time frame this time, you will notice another inner imbalance right at this point. And if I continue to drop the time frames until 1 hour, you can see this 1 hour deep imbalance area as well. So this is a really interesting price action. Now let's drop to the 5-minute chart and talk more about the price action. First thing you need to focus on is this very clear target above with the previous day high and the previous week's high. A great institutional level waiting for us here to be taken out. Right at this point, price taps this 3 and 2 hour imbalances at the same time. But I also know that there is this deep 1 hour's imbalance as well at the bottom. Okay, can you see the future? I don't think so. Are you the oracle from Matrix? No, I don't think so either. Do you have kind of magical abilities to guess what will happen next? I'm not sure you cannot. So, you have no idea what will happen next. Price can easily deep dive here into this 1 hour imbalance area before the rally. Nobody knows the future. But what really happens here? An inner structure breaks really strongly with an inner support and resistance flip area. Also this lovely inner imbalance as well. So your first order, your yo-yo entry, should be here, which you can jump with a market order if you wish. Now my second entry should be right on top of this 1 hour imbalance to cover for further deep dive. For a starter, 2 yo-yo would be enough here. So either way, at the end, get your 3% move and walk away. In this crazy markets, we just cannot afford to be greedy anymore. So what really happened here? Let's do a recap session. You have noticed a super SR flip area, which actually collides with multi-time frame imbalances. But you have concerns about deeper imbalances for deeper pullbacks for the future. So instead of a classic risk reward, you divide your orders into smaller pieces. At the end, this is a very simple pattern actually that we use, especially in momentum trading. I have to say this is not overly complicated, but seeing this in real charts with real candlesticks sometimes confuse us. Okay folks, please take care for now, have a great week and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you